What do the dashboard warning lights in the 2018 Lincoln MKX indicate? How can you identify the different indicator lights on your vehicle's cluster? This guide will explain the key dashboard warning symbols and their meanings. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Adaptive steering. Adaptive cruise control indicator. Airbag warning lamp. Anti-lock brake system. Warning lamp. Auto hold active. Auto hold unavailable. Automatic high beam control. Battery. Blind spot information system indicator. Brake system warning lamp. Cruise control indicator. Direction indicator. Door ajar. Electric park brake. Engine coolant temperature warning lamp. Fasten seatbelt warning lamp. Heads-up display. Headlamp. High beam indicator. Hood ajar. Liftgate ajar. Low beam malfunction warning. Low fuel level warning lamp. Low tire pressure warning lamp. Low washer fluid. Level warning lamp. Oil pressure warning lamp. Traction control system, TCS. StabiliTrak light. Parking lamps. Powertrain fault. Service engine soon. Stability control and traction control. Off warning lamp. Gauges and meters.
Speedometer, tachometer, engine coolant temperature, gauge, fuel gauge, odometer, distance to empty, outside temperature gauge, automatic transmission shift indicator.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.